To start off, hundreds of millions of families are experiencing homelessness and are living on the streets because they were kicked out of their homes by force and left there to starve. The reasons why people are becoming homeless is because of housing and overpaid mortgages. The National Alliance to End Homelessness states that 34% of people are homeless, and that's why you see them on the streets or at abandoned places, just because they are kicked out of their homes by force and by law. Secondly, people are experiencing homelessness right now. Housing prices have gone up since 2017, and that makes it hard on people because they're unable to pay their mortgage and were kicked out of their homes. More and more people are living on the streets or at abandoned places, and it's getting out of hand. Over the past few years, the National Alliance to End Homelessness discovered that the rise in homeless rose to 553,742 people are populating the streets, and that can lead to dangerous problems like terrible storms that causes people to get pneumonia, the flu, and the cold, causing their immune system to shut down, and the bacteria or viruses. That's what that's what happens when you don't have shelter or protection. These examples have shown that when you kick someone out of their house, you're putting them at risk and their families. In addition, what the National Alliance to End Homelessness does is to research where most of where it hits the most, and then presents it to the rest of their employees and the public and government. They have been trying to elaborate the homelessness policy for a long time and will keep improving until it changes. They also develop implementations at the federal, which means they resolve the purpose of lawmaking and supporters at the federal policy. This evidence shows what they do and why they try to help homeless people and their families to end their suffering throughout the world till it is over. In conclusion, families and children are comprehending homelessness as of right now and are suffering because they don't have shelter to protect them from harsh weather and can't afford food to eat. More than 1.56 million people and children are still living in homelessness right now and are suffering from starvation or sickness from being left on the streets. Please donate now to help them from the misery and donate to the National Alliance to End Homelessness.